guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I made this beautiful dress using a fabric that I found at the thrift store. So if you want to see how I created this beautiful dress, then stay tuned.
Alrighty, I already cut out all the details for this dress. So I have two back bodices, two side fronts, one front skirt, and two sleeves. And I did the same thing for the lining. Next, it's time to construct the front bodice. So I am going to match the side front to the front of the dress or center front. And then I'm going to stitch it along this princess seams. And then I am going to attach the back bodice to the side front of or the side seam of the side front. So it's going to look like this, and it will be repeated for the lining as well. So I pressed the seams already and they are good to go, and I'm going to set it aside. Now for the main detail of the dress is the voluminous sleeves. So I am going to serge all the raw edges except for the hemline, and then I am going to finish the hemline. Then I went ahead and finished the hemline by using my double roll presser foot, and it was super easy if you haven't tried that. I will be measuring 1 inch away from the hemline. I will be sharing this detail so it's going to gather and it's going to give me that voluminous sleeves that I am looking for. I went ahead and closed the side seam of the sleeve. Clearly, you are going to be doing the same thing for the other sleeve. As you can see, I open up the bodice just like this so I can match the arm side of the bodice and the sleeve. So I'm just going to start pinning from the seams and then work my way out. I am marking 1/2 inch just before I reach the top, just because it's going to be for the lining so I can encase the lining really nice later on. So I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other side. I am leaving 1/2 inch away from the edge of the arm side. So I marked it right here. So I will stop sewing right here. After that, I am going to stitch right here, and look at those sleeves. Aren't they so big? They're actually bigger than the bodice, which is awesome. Now it's time to finish the neckline. So I matched the right sides of the fabrics together. I am just pinning it on the front neck and the back. So I still have a few seconds here, so I am just going to tell you that this tutorial is going to be short and sweet because I notice you guys like short videos. So I'm gonna give that to you if you prefer short videos, okay? I'm not so sure if I can actually call this a tutorial because I don't know if I am showing something new here. It's basically like how I made this dress. So I hope you still enjoy this. After I stitch along the neckline, I went ahead and understitched the lining. So the purpose of that is so the lining will stay inside the dress. Also finish the shoulder seam right here so I can put elastic inside. So I basically just fold it in and stitch along the edge, making sure that the elastic is going to fit in the casing. So that's what I'm doing here. I am threading the casing using an elastic, and the elastic is about 8 inches long, and then I'm just going to secure them on both ends, and I will repeat the same thing on the other side. And this is the progress. I am really loving the sleeves. I wanted big sleeves and I got it. It's time to move on to the bottom of the dress, which is going to be super easy. So I attached the lining on the lining of the bodice, and I repeated the same for the skirt. The skirt is half circle. Installed the zipper and I closed the back seam, finished the hemline, and the dress is completed. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love how this dress turned out. It's the cutest dress I have ever made in a long time. I absolutely love the print. It's just so perfect. I know it's already fall time, but I decided, you know what? I love dresses, and it doesn't matter if this is like a summery dress. Plus, my birthday is coming, so this is like my handmade birthday present for myself.
So that's it, you guys, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. And if you would like to see more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up like always. That is going to help my channel grow. So that's it, you guys, and thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!